So here we have the Kia Sportage on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off in the boot area of it first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 48,418. You can change that information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. There are various menus available, including this menu, which has got your digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, these are the buttons here that will access all the different menus. We've got our cruise control over that side as well. Stereo and phone controls on the left-hand side, and then the main screen over in the centre, which is where, and this is your home screen, you can access, for example, your satellite navigation. Really nice, clear colour display. A very easy system to use. This car's also got a full colour reversing camera, which you can see on the screen there, of course. We can go back to the home screen. From down here, you can access all of your options. So radio, for example, where you'll see we have DAB, FM and AM radio all available. You can access your own music here once you connect something up. So we've got auxiliary input, USB input and Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. Once that is, you have paired your phone, which is done from the phone screen just there. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. That's your air conditioning off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. And then, if you wish to, you can just press auto. The car, as you can hear in the background, will now take full control of the direction of the air and fan speed to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for, and you can override that manually, put it back on your own settings whenever you wish to. Plenty of storage space down here, 2 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary and USB inputs I mentioned just a moment ago. We can turn off the stop-start. We can turn on your downhill brake control and turn it off again, of course. You can turn your parking sensors on and off, and we have the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.